Hello, this is Mrs. Bernal, and I'm going to walk you through the first phase of doing our group presentation, part one, research. So for our expert group investigation, your group member needs to identify an issue facing society today. So what issues are going on right now in society? Um, what are things that need a solution to? You guys did a little analysis on Schoology where you discussed some of these problems. So if you want to go back on Schoology and look at some of the issues that came up in that discussion, and maybe you found one that really sparked an interest in you and your group members, but you do need to decide on one topic. And then what you want to do is you want to make light of that topic. You want the whole class to know about that specific issue. So you do need to do research about that issue. Once you identify a problem that society faces, your team member needs to find a solution to that problem. You guys need to be heroes. Common people can be heroes. Um, so find a solution to that problem. Research the solution to that problem. So how do we go about doing research? How do we do research together as a group? So let me walk you through how to do research on a shared document. One person, so the first thing you want to do is go to that waffle, okay? One person is going to share a document with the team. So this one person needs to go to that waffle and then go to New, pull up that Google Doc right here. And the first thing you want to do is title this doc, okay? So title it English and then your period, whatever period you're in, and then last names, okay, because there's more than one person in that group, and then the topic that you're focusing on. Okay, so and then you're going to share this, and then you're going to put everyone's email address right here. Make sure that everyone has editing rights, and then click done. So once you shared it, everyone else is going to go back to their email. Okay, so waffle email, and then you should see that person's email in your email box, and you're just going to pull it back up. Okay, and then everyone should be working on the shared documents. So again, you know that everyone's on there if you see the colors right over here. So remember, when we go to that toolbar, we can actually explore different topics. So let's say your group member decides on cyberbullying. So cyberbullying maybe is a topic that is facing society today. Okay. Oops. All right. So right here, you can actually do research from here. You can pull up images. Okay. When you pull it into here, it automatically cites it for you. Well, actually, not this one, actually. Let me pull a different image. Okay. You can see that that it cites it for you right there. If you go to the web, let's say you want to do stopbullying.gov, know the warning signs, okay, you read it, you like that, what they write over here. You can annotate as well. So, um, pulling textual evidence, we want that green, and then explain what this means, okay. You can save it. You can copy it. Oops. Highlight it, copy it back to this, post information there. But remember where you got that information. Let's say you got it from, remember, if you go back to it, it's stop bullying. Okay. So make sure you cite it. So you have all your citations there. So we know exactly where you got that information. Now, one thing I want to point out is each person is going to contribute to the shared document. So to show what each person did, what I like you to do is I want everyone to contribute in a different color and font. So pick a color and pick a font that you're going to contribute to, so that way we see what everyone's contributing to and how much everyone is contributing to this shared document.